G'day. I've come to you today and I wanted to talk to you about knowing something really important to your network. So I've been joined by our pet owl, who's all about wisdom and knowing, to share with you a little bit about one of the important things I think you should get to know at any networking event. So my name's Edward Plant from the Business League. We've been running networking events on the Gold Coast for the last 6 years. The Business League is now 10 years old. We've run a few events, and we get speakers into our events, and all the speakers that we get are high quality business owners, multi-million dollar businesses, quite often in the hundreds of $1 million businesses, and all of them rave about the community and the vibe and what happens inside each meeting. And so this tip for your networking I give to you from a position of being in the box seat at a lot of networking events. So this tip is around getting to know the person who organises the event. Doesn't matter whether you're coming to one of our events or another event, get to know the person who runs the event. In our case, that'd be me and my wife Rebecca. We're the two key people that run it. And the reason is this. Every year we get over 1,000 people attend our events. Our community has many thousands of people in it, and on a regular basis we are engaging with business owners across all aspects of business. Why do you network? You network to get to know the right people at the right time. My logic says that if you're networking to get to know the right people at the right time, and the host or the person running the event has thousands of people through their event, surely they can help you get to the right person at the right time for you. And the longer I'm in this game, the more I see it, where people can be sitting in a networking event or in a community for ages and not get the result they want. I can spend 15 minutes talking to them and say, oh mate, you need to go and talk to this person and introduce them, qualify them, position them, and get them more results than they've had in 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, maybe sometimes even longer. So the person that runs the event is that, if you think about like a spider's web, that networking event is like the whole web. There's heaps of people playing around in all different areas of it. The person who runs it, the host, is that spider in the middle, and they have connection through the web to every single person in that community. Get to know the spider and you'll be able to get to the community quicker. It's also about building relationships. They're a great person to build a relationship with for you. So my tip today is get to know the host or the person running your next networking event that you turn up to. Hope it's been helpful. My name's Edward Plant from the Business League. I'll chat to you soon. And say goodbye to my pet owl.